be for the best if you just don't come back at all. Yeah, and I know that Nick would agree with me. I just don't think your head's been in it.
No, you can't speak for Nick. You don't know what he thinks. And how dare you tell me I can't do the job?